There is a place where the mountains seem to touch the sky. Sikkim, a small Himalayan state, quiet and breathtaking, nestled in the far northeast of India. Here the air is crisp, and the silence is broken only by the gentle whispers of nature. Sikkim whispers its beauty through tall green trees that sway in the wind, rivers that sing as they tumble over rocks, and wildflowers that bloom in 100 dazzling colors, painting the hillsides with life. The journey here is as memorable as the destination itself, with winding roads that snake through the mountains and villages where life moves slowly, inviting you to pause and soak in every moment. Prayer flags flutter in the cool breeze, carrying hopes and dreams skyward, while Kanchenjunga's snowy peaks glow golden in the morning sun, watching over the land. This is a journey for the soul, a place where you can reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Lachung and Lachen, twin villages hidden deep in the mountains, are true gems waiting to be discovered, each with its own unique charm and stories. Here, the world's noise fades away, replaced by the gentle sound of wind, the calls of birds, and the distant soothing bells of yaks grazing on the meadows. The mountains humble you, reminding you of the vastness and wonder of the world, and your own small but precious place within it. And then, there's Gurudongmar Lake, a turquoise sheet of water cradled by snow-dusted peaks, a place of legend and breathtaking beauty. The journey to reach it is tough, winding through rugged terrain, but the reward is unforgettable, a view that stays with you forever. Sikkim is more than a holiday. It's an experience that fills your heart with quiet joy and leaves you with memories that linger long after you leave. Each turn in the road reveals a new wonder, a new story, and a new reason to fall in love with these hills. The air is pure, the people are warm and welcoming, always ready with a smile and a story to share. Sikkim invites you to slow down, listen to the rhythm of mountain life, and simply be present in the moment. It's a land of peace, where memories are as clear and vivid as the mountain air, and every day feels like a gentle embrace. Come, discover Sikkim's secrets for yourself, and let its magic become a part of your own story. Let the hills change you and carry their peace with you, wherever you go. Our journey begins in Lachung, a village nestled in a deep valley, surrounded by towering mountains that seem to cradle it in their arms. The air here is crisp and fresh, carrying the scent of pine and earth. A gentle river winds its way through the heart of the village, its waters sparkling in the sunlight as it passes by wooden bridges and stone paths. Wooden houses with colorful roofs dot the hillsides, each one unique, with smoke curling from chimneys as families gather inside for warmth. Life here is simple and unhurried, guided by the changing seasons and the rhythms of nature. People move at their own pace, finding joy in daily routines. In spring, the valley bursts into color as rhododendrons and alpine flowers blanket the landscape, painting the hills with vibrant hues. The Lachung Monastery, perched on a hill above the village, stands as its spiritual heart, a place of peace and reflection for all who visit. Monks' chants drift down the slopes, mingling with the wind, while colorful prayer flags flutter in the mountain breeze, carrying hopes and blessings. There are no big hotels here, just cozy homestays, delicious local food prepared with care, and evenings spent sharing stories by the warmth of a crackling fire. As the sun sets behind the mountains, the valley glows gold, and soon the night sky fills with countless stars, shining bright above the quiet village. Lachung's beauty remains untouched by time, its peace and serenity truly unforgettable for those who visit. Here, you discover the joy of simplicity and the warmth of a close-knit community. Lachung is a place that stays with you long after you leave, calling you back with its quiet charm. In Lachung, it's the small details that enchant. Every corner of the village is alive with color and character, from the fluttering prayer flags to the painted window frames. The mountain air feels crisp and pure, inviting you to pause and take it all in. Apple orchards thrive here, their branches heavy with fruit. Picking a fresh mountain apple is a simple pleasure, a taste you'll remember long after you leave, sweet and cool from the Himalayan breeze. Nearby, Yumthang Valley bursts into color each spring, a carpet of wildflowers beneath a vast sky. The valley becomes a living painting, with every hue imaginable stretching as far as the eye can see. Yaks graze peacefully in the meadows, their slow movements adding to the sense of calm. The air is filled with the scent of pine and wild grass, a reminder of nature's quiet abundance. The people's traditions run deep, from their hand-woven woolen clothes to their unique self-governance. The Dzumsa. Community bonds are strong, and every gathering is filled with warmth and respect for heritage. Evenings are quiet, families gather, sharing stories and butter tea by the fire. Laughter and conversation fill the rooms, creating a sense of belonging and comfort as the night settles in. There's no traffic, just the gentle wind and the distant sound of dogs resting. The village slows to a hush, and peace settles over the valley. Lachung teaches you to slow down and savor the moment. Here, every breath feels deeper, every view more meaningful, and time itself seems to stretch. Its calm is its greatest gift, wrapping you in a gentle embrace that lingers long after you've gone. Here, life's simple rhythm brings true contentment, reminding you that happiness often lives in the quietest places. Leaving Lachung behind, the road climbs ever higher toward Lachen. The landscape grows more rugged, forests thin, waterfalls tumble, and the air turns crisp and invigorating. Passing through Chongthang, where rivers meet, you feel the adventure deepen with every mile. Landslides and boulders remind you of nature's power, and road workers keep the way open for travelers. As you near Lachen, the valleys deepen, peaks sharpen, and snow appears even in the heart of summer. The wild river roars beside you, echoing the thrill of the journey. Here, the journey itself is the destination, a humbling, awe-inspiring ride through the mountains. Lachen, meaning big pass, is more rugged and remote. It's a cluster of wooden houses, a gateway to the high plateau and Gurudongmar Lake. The Lachen Pass, mostly nomadic herders, welcome you with warmth and stories of the mountains. The Lachen Monastery, vibrant and peaceful, overlooks the village and peaks. Here, life is about experience, waking to snow-capped views, walking the quiet village, feeling the cold wind. Lachen isn't for sightseeing, it's for living the mountain way. It prepares you for the stark beauty ahead. This is resilience at the edge of the world. Before dawn, you set out from Lachen to Gurudongmar Lake. The road is rough, the landscape barren, a cold desert of rock and snow. As the sun rises, the peaks glow pink and gold, and the sky turns a deep blue. Suddenly, Gurudongmar Lake appears, a turquoise jewel at nearly 18,000 feet. Part of the lake never freezes, said to be blessed by Guru Padmasambhava. The silence is profound, broken only by wind and prayer flags. The lake is sacred to Buddhists and Sikhs, a place of awe and peace. Standing here you feel breathless, yet your spirit soars. The beauty is pure, cleansing, unforgettable. Gurudongmar leaves you changed. As you descend from the high passes, the world grows green again, but you are changed. The mountains' silence and beauty linger within you. Sikkim's hidden gems offer more than scenery. They offer perspective and peace. The people's simple lives and deep connection to the land teach contentment. You return with gratitude, quiet strength, and a renewed sense of wonder. The mountains call you back, their magic now a part of you. Sikkim's peace, ruggedness, and sacred stillness become cherished memories. In the quiet corners of the world, you find the greatest treasures.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.